Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Maryland, Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Charles County in southern, northeastern King George County in central Virginia until 7:45 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Howling Point to Post Creek, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Leonardtown, Dahlgren, Prince Frederick, Sheridan Point, Calvert Cliffs, Post Creek, Greenwell State Park, Howling Point, St. Leonard Creek, Flag Harbor, Golden Beach, Lusby, St. Leonard, Wicomico, Long Beach, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, and Cobb Island. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is a state